A very good morning, students. Today we are going to see the nervous system. Okay, it is a very interesting lesson. Have to understand it carefully. Okay, here a nervous system. Naramu mandalam solluvalle, that is the nervous system. Here they are given a system. System means a combination of some parts of organ. Here a nervous system means they are combination of numbers of nerve cells. They are having a different kind of nerve cells. Okay, I will say that later words. The first thing is a nervous system. It is help detect the surrounding environment, what is going on. You have to give some response to that stimuli. For an example, if you are calling it someone your name, you have to give a response to that back because of the stimuli. Okay, next time, if you are going to touch someone, or for an example, if you are going to touch a hot pan, suddenly you remove your hand, right? Because of that a nervous system in your body. And if you are someone has flashed the light in your eyes, you suddenly close your eyes because of that their eye part. They are having some of the nerve cell. Okay, that is a very interesting topic. Here all parts of body, they need a coordination to work the given a return back response to that stimuli. That is a very important thing. They need a coordination in animal, including human, coordination between various cells and organ essential for the diverse activity. For an example, in the digestive system, there involvement of some of organs. Same like that in the nervous system also, they need some of the cooperation. For an example, you touch a hot pan with the help of a hand only, but your head is given an information to a hand. Just remove a hand, you are going to touch some of the hot pan because of that coordination. Okay, so harmonious coordination is important for a nervous system. Okay, let be more a first topic in that introduction. Here they are given a very important 2 mark. The first one is the stimulus. Okay, stimulus, which means they are giving some of the stimulus. That is the stimulus. Okay, here they are given a 2 marks. Just listen. A stimulus refer to change in the environmental condition that are detected receptors present in the body. Here refer to change in the environmental condition. For an example, you are present in one room. Okay, you are sitting on the benches. Now you are receiving some smells, good flavors. What you have to think? Mama cook some food for us. Okay, it is very tasty in nature. I have to smell something, right? That is detected by receptor. What receptor? That is the nose. Okay, nose are receiving some fragrance that sending a message to our brain. They are said as again, mama is cooking something special to you. I have to ready for that eat it, right? Same like that here receptor present. That is a receptor are present in our body. Okay, let me see that one by one. First we are having the nervous system. Here a nervous system is made up of a nerve fiber. A fiber means a thread-like structures, right? And so nervous system is made up of a nerve fibers. And here a first one is the neuron or a nerve cell. Okay, here a neuron or nerve cell is called as a structural and functional unit of a nervous system. This is the structural and functional unit of a nervous system. Okay, it is a slender and longest cells in the human body, a length over 100 micrometer. Okay, it is highly specialized cell. It help to detect the some stimuli and receiving some informations. Okay, and transmit the impulses to the different part of our body. So these are all the functions of the nerve cell or a neuron. It is a form of electrical. If they want to detect, receive and transmit, they want to send some electrical impulses to the all parts of a body. Okay, here one parts to another part. I am already saying a first thing, when you are going to touch your heart part with the help of your hand only, but your head side, brain, that is a brain side, have to pick out your hand. Because of that, their impulses is carried to head from your hand. Okay, here head, that is the first thing, they are carry the impulses to the hand to sending a message to their head. Again they are reply to their brain, just remove your hand. So they are carry some impulses. Okay, here that is the neuron or nerve cell. And next one we are having the neuroglia. Here a neuroglia is also called as a glial cell. Okay, here a glial cell is non-existing. They are not having any particular function, just they are responsible for the metabolic activity. Here a nervous system, neurons we say no. Just imagine this is the neuron body. Okay, here a glial cell, just they are attached to the body of a neuron, just like this. And the major function pathonaka, that is a metabolic activity. Just they are supporting to the metabolic activity. They are not initiate and conduct any nerve impulses. Okay, and next one we are having the nerve fiber. The third one is nerve fiber. Here nerves are present in the form of fibers. It is a long, slender like projections. Okay, slender like projections of neuron. Here a nerve fibers are bounded together. For example, like this, they are bounded together to form the neuron. That is the nerves. Okay, they are bounded together to form the nerves. Okay, so that's it for a nervous system. They are contained three things, no, three distinct components. No, first thing is a neuron or nerve cell. Here a neuroglia, a nerve fiber. A neuron or nerve cell, just is that is the structural and functional unit of a neuron. Just this is the 100 micrometer, and they are responsible for detect, receive, and transmission of the nerve impulses. They are sending a message to the entire parts of a body. And next, second one is they are having a neuroglia. Here also called as a glial cell. Just they are giving a support. They are transmission and conduction purpose. Just they are support like this. They are metabolic supporting cells. Okay, and next one they are having a nerve fiber in the form of a thread like structure, a long slender like structure. They are united together to form a nerves. Okay, so that's it for a nervous system. Let be more. Next one, a structure of neuron.